What's up? What's going on? Thank you for tuning in at Real Buff No Scuff Detailing channel out here in Atlanta, Georgia. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. What I normally do is I go ahead and vacuum the whole car. Yeah, I make sure I clean it, brush it, you know what I'm saying? This is just me going over it with the vacuum. It's real slick. Putting the lines in the carpet or wherever in a car, a vehicle, and it has carpet. You know, I kind of definitely like displaying that type of art, or however you want to call it. It's an art to me, even if it's not just me, you know what I'm saying, painting the canvas. But technically I really am painting the canvas. I'm just using the vacuum, you know what I'm saying. It look very professional, it look very clean, kind of get something, the customer something to look at. You know, when they look at the vehicle, they're like, oh man, I like that, it must be clean. You know. But yeah, once again, I still make sure I do that, go over the carpet as much as I can, but not really spend so much time on it because I got to keep moving. So, you know what I'm saying, I'll show you how to do the other side. I had to switch the camera. But yeah, it's real quick. You'll get the right pattern that you're looking for, keeping that professionalism. Clean the seats, I usually use super clean. I do diluted 10:1. I don't want to stretch or I guess wear and tear even more on the leather or the fabric than it already is. So that's the safest route that I use. I love super clean. It's cost effective, so it's not really killing your pockets, and it does a great job to me, especially if you know how to use it. Even if what you see right now, I'm kind of using like a paintbrush. And I'm kind of going in between the seats to get the cracks and whatnot. If I don't have my brush set, which is super expensive at the time, I would use those, and it's a great alternative. To be completely honest, I don't see a difference. Yeah, to me it's all about how you use it and how long you've been using the type of tools that you have, or if it's time to upgrade to this. Because I mean, if it's not doing any harm or it's not doing anything wrong or bad to the car, it's actually getting great results, why change it, right? Unless you start getting up class, like top tier, you know, vehicle. But other than that, it's nothing wrong. Even with that pad is actually soft on the leather, so it's not ripping or it's not pulling the paint, because it's not super abrasive, it's not super gritty, you know, so you got to be mindful of that also. So yeah. So the same thing with the back seat. You kind of gonna do the same thing with the front seat. You know, you're gonna make sure you clean the brake pad. I mean, not the brake pad, but the brake pedal, the gas pedal. Make sure you get the carpet nice and clean. Make sure you continue to put those lines in the carpet. Make sure it's clean. You hit it with the brush, whatever you need to do to get the right result. You know, that's what it's all about, getting that right result in a timely manner. You want to be efficient as possible. So yeah, you're doing the same thing from the back seat to the front seat pretty much. So this hood of this car, it had a lot of scratches. It had a lot of, you know, water spots. I'm using the RUPES, so that's the buffer that I use personally. So you're gonna be able to see the before and after result. And I didn't have enough battery power to actually record the finishing product, but from the first stage to the second stage is a complete total different. It's totally, you can see the difference. Thank you for tuning in. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I would definitely appreciate it. It definitely go a long way. Yeah, this is real buff, no scuff, man. Putting you on game. Thank you. Peace.